Hey everybody, this is Dave Giuliano from the Ghost Hunter store showing you one of our latest camcorders. This is our newest full spectrum high definition camcorder. Runs on a rechargeable battery, uses an SD card for memory. Right now it's broad daylight in the store and you can see they're permanently modified so they will see things always in infrared and UV in the full spectrum. We're going to take you downstairs and show you what it looks like in the dark. Okay, here we are. We're in the basement of 14 Church Street, which is the Ghost Hunter store's training ground for ghost hunters. As you can see, there's a little bit of light leaking through the doorway. I'm at the bottom of the basement steps here. But other than that, this is just like every other camera. You need a light source to be able to see in the dark. What I have here is a brand new prototype for Entity Electronics' new floodlight, full spectrum light. So let's cast a little light on that. And there you go. You can actually see how bright this one is. But this is what your camera would look using a full spectrum illuminator. You can also use an infrared illuminator with this too. And this is going to be available shortly on the Ghost Hunter store website exclusively. So check it out.